Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We have this pot hanger, pan hanger from my parents' old house, and I thought it would look pretty good going above our Ikea hack kitchen island prep station here. But before we actually get it up, I am going to do a little bit of drywall mud because we have more cracks up here. There is a couple of studs up there, so I think we are good to get started. I got the drywall mud and mesh tape and paper tape all done. This is the drill bit we are going with for the anchors. I think I should probably use a bigger drill bit, but I think that one should work. Luckily, we do have a couple of studs there. Let's take some measurements and get those fastened in. Okay, it is not perfect, but we got it up there. I need to figure out how many chain links I want and also how to patch the, I drilled the wrong spot initially for that one. That one's looking pretty good. I also need to level it out a little bit, but video number 83 done.